Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about how we can generate serial numbers from 1 to 31 for the current month. This is the worksheet that I have opened. Here I have used a shape and I have also used the coding of Excel VBA. So how we can create the date serial from 1 to 31st of January 2023. If I click here, if I click on the button, then dates will be displayed in column A. You can see here friends, dates from 1 to 31st 2023 have been printed. So how we can create such type of date serial? Let's start friends. First of all, I am deleting all these dates. I am also deleting this one, this particular button. Again we will write the code. This is the developer tab. If this developer tab is not displaying on your Excel sheet, then click on file menu and then click on options, then click on customize ribbon, then click here is an option available developer. It has been tick marked. If this is not tick marked, then tick mark it and click on OK button. Then this your developer tab will be get activated on your Excel sheet, or you can press off. You can press Alt F11 for opening the Visual Basic window, or you can click on developer tab, then go to Visual Basic and click here, so that Visual Basic window will be open. These are the codes which are used for the last video that we saw in the beginning. I am deleting these codes. Again we will take a module. So friends, click on insert menu, then click on module. Here we will write the code. First of all, sub procedures of date serial. Press enter. Here I will take variable. I will declare variable dim cm date as date, dim I as integer, here I equal to 0, then cm date should be capital letter, cm date equal to date serial, bracket open, year, then bracket open, date, close the bracket, comma, then month, bracket open, then date, close the bracket, comma, 1, close the bracket. Here we will put the condition. Do while month, bracket set, cm date equal to month, then write date. This should be displayed on column 1 of the sheet 1. So we will write here range A1 dot value, dot offset. Here we will use offset column index I, row index 0, since it will be displayed in column 1, dot value equal to cm date. Next, close the do while loop. Just write loop and I equal to I plus 1. Each time it will increase 1 row. Then cm date equal to cm date plus 1. So date will also increase 1 in each time. When the loop runs, it will increase 1 time, row will also increase 1 row each time, and date will also increase 1 time. Let's see. This is the local window. You can also take local window, click view, then click on local window, so that you can see how the codes are being executed. First of all, I am placing both the windows, Excel window and Visual Basic window side by side. So friends, let's check the coding part. By pressing F8, you can check whether the coding part is correct or not, or whether it works or not. You can press F8 on the keyboard, or you can click here. You can see here step information, or F8. Click here. You can see first date has been printed, then it will print the second date, then it will increase 1 row, and then it will increase 1 date also, then it will go again to the condition and check the condition and execute the code, then print another date. So in this way it will print up to 31st January 2023. So friends, I am resetting it. We will take a step so that we will click on the button and see the result at a time. This is the shape. Right click on the shape and come down. Here is an option, assign macro. Click here. Macro name is date serial. This is the date serial. Double click here and you can give any name to the shape. Click here. Here edit text. Write here something, what you want to write. Suppose I will write here click. Now I am deleting these 3 dates. Now friend, click on this particular button, click button, then see the magic. You can see here from 112023 to 31st January 23 has been printed on the worksheet. So in this way friend, we can create or generate serial numbers of the current month by using these codes, VBA codes. Thank you very much friends for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. In the next video we will know about how we can create days for these particular dates in column B. Thank you very much.